Alright, so good morning once again to everyone. So ngayon, mag-i-start tayo ng i-continue natin ang ating lesson. At ayaw magbukas ang aking lesson. Nag-blackout na. Okay, I'm just waiting for my presentation to open up. Ayun. Kanina pa ay pa magbukas. Okay. And where were we? Well, just a short review, no? Review tayo ng natutunan natin last Monday. So this is the start menu, okay? And on this, at the left pane of our start menu, so ito ang ating tatlong lines. What do you call this part? Anyone? Anyone would like to recite? So ito yung ating what's this? Start menu. So this is the menu, okay? So this is expandable. Once you click this, mag-expand itong part na to, and this will show up the title of each icon na nandito sa left pane, or yan, nasa left pane ng ating start menu. Okay, how about this one? Hi. Hello.
Po.
This one, yung may picture na to. So what do you call that part? Diniscuss natin yung last Monday. Wala? Okay, so this is the, magtatagal tayo, this account, okay? This part is called the account, from which pwede kayong mag-sign out, or pwede kayong mag-switch ng account, or pwede kayong maglagay ng picture or image niyo para dito sa account. Then this one is the file explorer. Okay, this will open the files, the documents, the different files that are saved on your computer. Ito namang gear icon na to is your settings. Okay, dito na ma-access ang ating through this. Pwede natin manipulate and to customize yung ating system, yung settings ng ating operating system. And lastly is the power icon. So dito naman, once you click this, may mga options na lalabas. If you want to put your computer on sleep, or to shut it down completely, or to restart your computer. And lastly, ito namang mga to, the icons together with their descriptions, they are called the applications. So lahat ng applications, softwares that are installed on your computer, so they are listed here. All right? So these are the list of your applications. Okay, going now to to our to our power button. Okay, so when you are ready to step away for a while, so you're going to use the power button at the bottom of the start menu to make your PC sleep, restart, or shut down completely. Okay, so ito yon. So once you click the power icon over here, may lalabas pa siyang options na sleep, shut down, and restart. So yung sleep, what's this na interrupt All right, so first is sleep Sleep is used to save your session and put the computer in a low power state so that you can quickly resume working. So if you're working on something on your computer and you want to take a break for the meantime, so pwede mo siyang i-put on sleep. Okay? So para mamaya, later on, kung tapos ka na mag-break, tapos ka na mag-coffee break, or tapos ka na kumain, mag-snacks, pagbalik mo sa laptop or pagbalik mo sa iyong computer, you're just going to move your mouse. Okay? Move mo lang yung mouse mo. or press any key on your keyboard, magre-resume na. Okay? Magre-resume na uli ang iyong laptop. Okay? Or ang iyong computer. So babalik na uli siya dun sa dati mong ginagawa. Para madali siyang, para madaling bumalik kung saan ka man huling tumigil. Ano? So sleep. But if you want to turn off completely your computer, so use the shutdown. The shutdown will close all the open programs. It will shut down your windows and will turn the computer off. So yan ang shutdown. And ang restart naman, so restart is almost the same with shutdown except for it will start the Windows again after shutting down the Windows. So it will close all the programs, it will shut down the Windows, and will start the Windows again. Okay? It will start the Windows again. So yun ang restart. So I think you're quite familiar with this shutdown and restart since ang ating mga phones, ating mga gadgets, mayroong shutdown and restart or reboot. Okay? Reboot kasi yung ibang term na ginagamit sa restart. Alright, so sa start, nasaan tayo, no? So for today, ang ating papag-aralan na ay yung mga programs or the Microsoft products. Okay? So here, ito naman yung mga icons na makikita niyo sa list of programs sa Microsoft. Ano? So first is Microsoft Word. So pinag-aralan ito dati. Okay? Even sa TLE, pinag-aralan natin itong Microsoft Word na to. So this is likely I think this is the last program that you will see on the list. So the MS Word or the Microsoft Word. So Microsoft Word creates and edits text and graphics in letters, reports, web pages, or email messages. This should be or. Nawala letter R. All right, so MS Word is widely used. MS Word is a widely used commercial word processor that is designed by the company of Microsoft. So Microsoft Word is a component of the Microsoft Office suite of productivity software, but can also be purchased as a standalone product. So pwede siyang ma-install yung Microsoft Word nang siya lang. Pwede niyang hindi kasama yung iba pang mga Microsoft products like mga Excel, PowerPoint, Publisher. So pwede siyang standalone, just Microsoft Word only. So next natin, isa sa mga madalas din gamitin is the Microsoft Excel. So this performs calculations, analyzes information, and manages lists in spreadsheets or web pages. So MS Excel or Microsoft Excel is a powerful data visualization and analysis software. Gumagamit ito ng spreadsheets para makapag-store, para makapag-organize, and track data sets with formulas and functions. So MS Excel is used mostly by marketers, accountants, data analysts, and other professionals. Even teachers like me, okay, use Microsoft Excel para makapag-compute ng inyong mga grades. So Microsoft Excel. Next is Microsoft PowerPoint or MS PowerPoint. Take note of the spelling of PowerPoint, okay? So PowerPoint is just one word. Okay, one word lang ang PowerPoint, from which both of the letter P's are capitalized. Okay? So MS PowerPoint creates and edits presentations for slideshow, meetings, and web pages. MS PowerPoint, this is a powerful slideshow presentation program. It is a standard component of the company's Microsoft Office suite software. And it is bundled together with Word, Excel, and other Office productivity tools. So the program uses slides to convey information rich in multimedia. Right now, I am using the MS PowerPoint para makapagturo sa inyo. So yung mga nakikita nyo lahat na yan, so my presentation, ito ay, ang ginagamit ko ngayon is the Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay? Even before, kahit nung kahit nung ating first semester pa, during our TLE and our CLE, ang ginagamit ko is Microsoft PowerPoint para mas madali makapagturo sa inyo, para makapag-present sa inyo ng mga lectures, ng mga lessons. Okay? Okay, any questions before we continue? Okay, so we're good, ha? Tandaan niyo yung mga icons, ha? These icons, the descriptions, okay? On your quiz, ang lalabas dyan ay icons and descriptions. And then you're going to tell me if it's Microsoft Excel, if it's PowerPoint, or Word. So, ganun ang mangyayari dyan, okay? Next is the Microsoft Publisher. So, Publisher creates and edits newsletters, brochures, flyers, and also websites. Ako kasi personally, nakapagawa na ako ng website using the Microsoft Publisher. So that was before pa, no, ng mga early 2000s. So gumagawa si Sir Yman ng mga websites using Publisher. Wala pa hindi pa lumalabas yung mga Adobe, Photoshop, wala pa niyan. So Publisher pa yung ginagamit ko before para makapagawa ng website. Because my MS Publisher is a powerful software application that is used for desktop publishing. Again, ginagamit ang Microsoft Publisher for desktop publishing. It allows you or anyone to manipulate features such as a page size, yung text, graphics, and borders. Yan. And Publisher's strength are in its ability to bring together text and images to make professional-looking flyers, brochures, handouts, and newsletters. So if you want to create or you want to make brochures and flyers, so Microsoft Publisher is very handy tool. So mas maganda siyang gamitin. Publisher is better to use than Microsoft Word kung mga flyers and brochures ang inyong gagawin. I guarantee you that. Kasi ako kasi gamit ko yung Publisher when it comes to brochures and flyers. Okay, next is the Microsoft Access. So this is this software or this application creates databases and programs to track and manage your information. So MS Access is an information management tool. Sabi nga kasi rito, it is a program that can track and manage your information. So therefore, it is an information management tool. It helps you to store information for reference, reporting, and even analysis. Access can also overcome the limitations found when trying to manage large amounts of information in Excel or other spreadsheet applications. So when it comes to database, yung Microsoft, ang product nila for databases is the Microsoft Access. Right, next is the Microsoft InfoPath. So it designs and fills out dynamic forms to gather and reuse information throughout the organization. So synopsis, InfoPath Forms Services is a server technology that makes it possible for people to fill out forms in a web browser. So by managing forms in a central location, you can streamline business processes and improve relations with customers, partners, and suppliers. So everyone, are you familiar with Google Forms? Familiar kayo sa Google Forms? Yes, no? Yes?
Yes.
Nakapag-fill up na kayo sa Google Forms? Nakapagsagot na ba kayo ron?
Opo.
Yes, di ba? Kasi nga, your exams ay sa Google Form ginagawa ng mga teachers, right? At doon kayo nagsasagot. So yung Google Forms ay product ng Google. Okay? While InfoPath naman ang product ni Microsoft. Okay? So yung version ng Google Forms ang version ng Microsoft ng Google Forms ay Microsoft InfoPath. Alright? So yun ang comparison ko ha, para mas madali yung maunawaan. So Google Forms is by Google, while InfoPath is by Microsoft. So parehas lang siya ng purpose, parehas lang siya ng ginagawa. It's just yung Forms is by Google, while InfoPath is created by Microsoft. Alright? And lastly, nasa huli na tayo Microsoft Outlook. So ito naman, it sends and receives emails. It manages your schedule, contact, and tasks, and even records your activities. So just like what is said in its definition, Microsoft Outlook simply allows you to send and receive email messages. It allows you to manage your calendar. It allows you to store names and numbers of your contacts, and also allows you to track your tracks. As simple as that. So if you want to send email, you can use Microsoft Outlook. And you can also use the Microsoft Outlook to receive email from others. All right? So yun, receiving and sending email, Outlook ang product na ginawa ng Microsoft. Right, so review tayo. So we have Microsoft Word. Yung Microsoft Word para makapag-create ka ng document. Microsoft Excel to create spreadsheets. Okay? Kapag PowerPoint naman, for you to be able to create presentations or slideshows. Microsoft Publisher is used for desktop publishing. Microsoft Access to create database. Microsoft InfoPath is used to create forms, mga pang-surveys, and to create forms for you to answer. Pwede siyang maging, fill out forms for your exams. And lastly, Microsoft Outlook is used to send and receive emails. All right, so any question, fourth graders? None? Tahimik lahat.
Wala po.
Sure ha? No question at all.